My name's Sheehan. I'm Director of Manufacturing, and I've worked here for just over 6 years. I've been in manufacturing for most of my career, spanning 20 years, a couple of different stops in other places.
My name is Brooke Hughes. I'm the Director of Operations at Super Radiator Coils, and I have been here for 19 and a half years, and I've been in manufacturing for 19 and a half years.
Manufacturing touches our lives in so many different ways. Unless you're sitting in the woods somewhere, pretty much everything you're wearing, looking at, sitting on, the phones that we use, it's all been manufactured by someone somewhere.
I think a lot of people perceive manufacturing as an assembly line. And I know through my experience here, you realize that there's just more to products and how they're made versus a machine that manufactures them. It's people.
Working in manufacturing, it's such a great way to build a career. The beautiful thing about a manufacturing facility is there's so much to do. There's so many different skill sets that you can accommodate.
Whether you're entry level, you have the background in manufacturing, or you're in R&D, or you have an engineering degree, or even higher, it just offers such a wide variety and spectrum of opportunities for people, a great pay, and I think just some long-term stability in your career and an opportunity for advancement.
I love manufacturing. Like I said, I worked in manufacturing for most of my career, and I've left a couple of times, and it's always been a mistake. There's something really great about the tangible nature of building something, seeing your results, being able to touch it and feel it. It's really important to me. It's really fulfilling. So I think manufacturing is critical to our economy, to continuing to develop different skill sets outside of the service industry. I'm super excited that we're focusing on manufacturing. I think it makes such a huge impact on our communities and the people who work here. I think it's great. I love that we're finally focusing on people who want to come in and contribute in the manufacturing sector.